Hi guys, today I have decided to make the new video about it with small description of my channel. So my channel is called on Russian, but translation to English is Bolvidei and Bolvikod, and I think that most of you have this translation on your screens because the YouTube is translating them for your native languages. So today I have made some playlists which are better describing my current interests, and my current interests are related with the machine learning. I need to say that I'm not a specialist in machine learning at all, but I have the 20 years experience working on the financial markets, mostly as the independent trader. And in this connection I have tried to use a very different technical system, trading systems, which were based mostly on the other that I'm not the programmer, and my programming experience is limited by just 11 months, because my first code were writing in the January last year, and I have used the Google collaboration mostly for this subject. Currently my interests were related with such subjects as the naive Bayes bias classifiers in Python and the naive Bayes methodology for different other fields, and plus that the topology data analysis. I have found that the topologies data analysis become very interesting for me, exactly because after that introduction with such a video is the persistent homology introduction and Python example code. Shefhin Talebi have made this video, and in this video he described how to use such a matrix as the Wasserstein distances for predicting of the highly interesting period on the stock market. It was the crash of the beginning of 2020. And I have made these predictions not based on this methodology, but I have found that it was amazingly interesting to use this methodology for the such kind of predictions. And I think that if you are working on the markets and you are starting from the and you have some power to predict the crisis, the crashes on the market, you will have that the amazingly important, you will decide the amazingly important part of the risk management, and in this connection that you will feel much more comfortable for making operations on the market. But my ideas are not only limited by the markets, and also interesting direction for me is the making the prognosis or the predictions of the viewing of videos on the YouTube channel. This channel is very small, and currently I have just 69 subscribers currently, but in many cases other subjects are interesting for me is usage of the machine learning and the Python code, not only machine learning but other different opportunities of the Python for the programming for the golf industry analysis, golf statistics mostly analysis, and also for the prediction of the views of the YouTube. The predictions of the working of the algorithm of the YouTube in the that making your views, developing of your channel, making your views more, your videos more viewable, and so on. And this connection, it's also it seems that it's a little bit different direction of such an activity. But the topological methods and exactly the Wasserstein generative adversarial network methods and Wasserstein distances methods are highly important for me, and in this connection I have made some playlists, and I will develop to this direction on my channel, and trading also, and hope that the playlists will also develop in the direction of the of the, that making your YouTube's videos more viewable, and also in the direction of the golf statistics predictions and usage of the machine learning and other methods for the golf industry. So in this connection, I think that it's the brief introduction of my channel is will be well enough to do it. So I hope to find interesting relationships in these directions, multiple directions, since that it's the multidisciplinary directions with you all over the golf and all over the world, because I think that currently we are in absolutely different stage of the development of the human society all over the world, and currently we have not the leaders, exactly the leaders in the machine learning and in the development of the our planet, and in this connection it seems that we have a unique chance for such a multinational, multidisciplinary, and that with different multi-views on this subject from the people all over the world, from any point of the world. Thank you very much for your attention. I hope to find the real friends in direction of the machine learning and the programming and Python, and I hope that exactly you will be one of such friends. Thank you very much. Happy New Year. Bye bye.